and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Enmodo Salesian Formation Program, which the Salesian Institute of Formation ISF of the St. Joseph province of Uruguay has been organizing since last year with the aim of promoting and fostering the dynamism and development of the Salesian way of educating, evangelizing and sharing life, concluded last Saturday, July 23rd, through a combination of art and reflections by the Texas group and the Slovakian Salesian, Father Michael Vojtas. The meeting, open to all, even those who had not participated in the previous formation process, was attended by members of different Salesian presences and began with a welcome and a moment of prayer based on the Word of God. On July 21st and 22nd, the Proyecto Salesiano Tijuana AC was invited to participate as a civil organization competent on the subject in 3 events of great importance for work with migrants, refugees and in general with people in situations of human mobility. On the first of the 2 days, the Secretary of State of Baja California, Catalino Zabala, together with the Undersecretary for Migratory Affairs, Adriana Minerva, highlighted the work done by civil society organizations on behalf of migrants and, at the same time, handed over in kind goods for the 2 shelters that the Proyecto Salesiano Tijuana AC runs in the city for women with minors and men. Father Peter Yasu Takamura Matsu, SDB, is a Japanese Salesian rector of the Nakatsu House on Kyushu Island in southern Japan. What he is best known for, however, at least on the web, is his work as a magician, for which he adopted the stage name Don Mickey. His passion for prestidigitation dates back almost 40 years when Father Muramatsu was a boy and grew up and was motivated during his years of theological training in Paranaque, Philippines, following the examples of Don Bosco, who first used juggling and conjuring tricks to attract young people and lead them to Jesus. 22nd July 2022 marked the 50th anniversary of the death of the servant of God, Monsignor Giuseppe Cognata, SDB, who died in 1972 in Pelaro, Reggio Calabria, Italy, the place where the congregation of the Salesian Oblate Sisters of the Sacred Heart had begun. Several celebrations and events took place in Pelaro de Reggio Calabria and in Bova. On the same day, at the parish church Santa Maria del Lume in Pelaro, the Eucharist was celebrated, presided over by Father Pegluigi Cameroni, postulator of the cause of beatification, who recalled the last words spoken by Bishop Cognata. Among them was the final entrustment to this oblates. Well then, love each other, be united, love one another, my children. If love, union reigns among you, you can work and do much good for souls. You oblates, whose communities are made up of a few members, must love each other very much. Love each other very much, live for each other with great charity. I am thinking of you and I'm always close to you. On July 9th and 10th, a formative meeting of the Salesian Youth Movement SYM of the Buenos Aires region was held in Almagro, a neighborhood of the Argentina capital. The meeting was attended by leaders, coordinators and animators from the 6 zones that make up the region, as well as teams from 2 formative meetings, the School for Animators, Conmovernos, Comprometernos and Artisans. At the last SYM Regional Assembly, the accompanying team reflected on the most common problems occurring in the territories and world of youth in an attempt to respond to the line of action agreed upon in 2019. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.